fueling hack, which you know I don't do hacks anyway, as it is really a product demonstration that will help you with a fueling transformation. So today I'm going to show you how I use the Dash My Point ice cream maker to make myself a pint of ice cream. So come on along and let's have fun with Fuelings. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Lizabeth and I am living in the light by documenting my weight loss journey. So far I've lost 115 pounds using Optavia's 5-in-1 program. As part of the 5-in-1 program, I eat 5 Fuelings that come to me in my monthly Optavia box. And typically you prepare them with water, you can waffle them, you can make shakes, you can bake them, air fry them. You've seen my fun with Fuelings, you know all of the things that I can do with them. But somebody recently posted about an ice cream maker. Now the Ninja Creamy, way too rich for my blood. I'm not gonna spend $140 on an ice cream maker. But this was 20 bucks on Amazon. So I thought, I'm gonna give it a try. It's the type of thing where you put the little container in the freezer. It has to be in there for at least 24 hours. And then you remove it from the freezer and you can make ice cream. So I thought I'd show you how I do that. But before I show you, would you please scroll down a little bit, give me a thumbs up, let me know you're excited about this ice cream maker and giving it a try. I mean, 20 bucks, what have you got to lose? Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I would be honored if you would do that. I post lots of fueling transformations, but I also do lots of great, healthy recipes that can be used for anybody, whether you're trying to lose weight or you're just trying to eat healthy. So subscribe to my channel and share my videos with your friends, with people who you know that are trying to lose weight. If you're on Facebook groups and you see a recipe that I've got, feel free to share it. It doesn't have to be an Optavia group. If you're in a keto group or a Whole30 group, a lot of my recipes fit in there as well, especially my lean and green recipes. So please feel free to share and encourage other people to come and check out my channel. The Dash comes with everything that you need in order to make your ice cream. You've got this is the My Pint. So it comes with a little mug. This is the container that's been sitting in my freezer for more than 24 hours, so I'm gonna slide that in there. You've got the little motor piece. You've got the little churn that just pops right in there, and you also get a little spoonula. It's got a little spatula kind of thing on the end and a little spoon you can use to eat it. And what I've used, I did the peanut butter shake the other day, delicious peanut butter ice cream. This is the mint soft serve. Now to date I have not been able to get the soft serve to actually be like soft serve. It's just always been kind of weird. So I followed instead of doing the soft serve recipe, I did the shake recipe, but I did 3/4 of a cup of water just to give myself a little bit more water. And I'm gonna pour this in, take out the little ball. And then this is gonna take about 20 minutes to freeze. So I'm gonna pop this on. There are like these little grooves. It'll just sit on there. I'm gonna plug it in and turn it on. And I'm just gonna let this go for 20 minutes. And when it's done, I'm gonna come back and show you what the ice cream looks like. It's gonna be good. I still have about 6 minutes left to go on this, but I wanted to jump in because what I didn't tell you was this morning, the very first thing that I did after I put this in the freezer like the day before, so it's been in there for more than 24 hours. But this morning I took my Optavia shaker bottle and I mixed the 3/4 of a cup of water with the mint soft serve, and that's been chilling in my refrigerator since about 7 o'clock this morning, and I started doing this at 2 o'clock this afternoon. So it had a good 7 hours to be nice and cold in the refrigerator. Also, speaking of the shaker bottle, I'm just curious, has anybody used the little ball that's in the shaker ball as a cat toy? Mine fell on the floor the other day. And I almost had to wrestle it away from the cat. I think they would be great cat toys if they didn't make so much noise. I don't know. Leave me some comments in the comments box down below if you've ever used the shaker ball as a cat toy. I'll be back. I don't know how I managed to just be patient and wait for this, but I did. 20 minutes, and oh my goodness, look at this. Like literally ice cream. This is definitely soft serve. This is the consistency that I would expect from a soft serve ice cream. Now I've still got like 20 minutes before my fueling time, so I'm gonna pop this in the freezer and then I'll take a picture of what it looks like. Let me do a little taste. Yeah. This tastes like a mint frosty, basically. So good. I'll be right back. Okay guys, I've had a busy afternoon. I am going to enjoy this fueling. I think if I had put it in the refrigerator, in the freezer for like an hour or so, it would get even more frozen, maybe 30 minutes. I don't know, I might try that again. It still is a great consistency, and you do have to scrape down the sides as you're eating it because it's really frozen on the sides. But this is, I've had a busy day. First of all, yes, those are pizza crusts that are cooling back there. We have house guests and we are having pizza tomorrow night. I'm having cauliflower crust. They're having homemade crust. I have another fueling in the air fryer, which is another fun with fuelings, which you will see shortly. So that's going. I'm gonna sit down, I'm gonna eat my ice cream, and then I'm gonna make dinner. We're having the Philly cheesesteak wraps. Well, I'm having the wrap. They're having it in hoagie rolls. They're also having tater tots. I don't get those, but that's okay. I'm totally happy. The wrap will be completely fine. If you haven't checked out that Lean and Green with me, the Philly cheesesteak wraps, delicious. Give them a try. And until I see you next time, please live in the light.